So what we're doing is we're doing a classic snatch. So what I've done is, see that pipe there? I ain't tried to get into it there. I've looped it. So I've got a loop, pipe round, in. Know why? That allows you to move it. You don't have to have it proper tight. You'd struggle getting it on there and you struggle getting it off there. So just loop it. It's beautiful. That's just what the doctor ordered. And then this. This is very hard, but never panic. Make sure, see how I've got that on, it's still leaking there because I haven't pushed it on. Now I've pushed it on.